Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be exploring how to express yourself in Yoruba. If you are wondering that how can I express myself in Yoruba, how can I say what is my name, how can I say this, how can I say that, stay tuned on this channel. Bí o ṣe lè ṣe àfihàn tàbí àlàyé ara rẹ ní èdè Yorùbá. Last lesson we talk about how to pronounce words in Yoruba. If you are just joining us, you can quickly go and check that. We talk about how to pronounce words in Yoruba. So firstly, let's talk about what is your name. Somebody say what is your name in Yoruba. The person is saying that kí ni orúkọ rẹ. If anybody asks you kí ni orúkọ rẹ, the person is trying to say what is your name. What is your name? So your response will now be orúkọ mi ni Fọlá. That's an example. You will mention your name. Orúkọ mi ni Fọlá. That is my name is Fọlá. My name is Fọlá. My name is Fola. The first one is what is your name? Kí ni orúkọ rẹ? They say kí ni orúkọ rẹ. The person is simply asking for your name, and your response will be orúkọ mi ni Fola. Orúkọ mi ni Fola. If you are not bearing Fola, you put your name. I just use Fola as an example. If anybody asks you that, what is the name that you are being called? You say that orúkọ tí à ń pè mí ni Àdìsá. If they say kí ni orúkọ tí à ń pè ọ́, the person is trying to ask you what is the name that you are being called. Orúkọ tí à ń pè mí ni Àdìsá. You know there are some people that when they give them name, is another name that some people do call them. So if you are in that situation, you just say that orúkọ tí à ń pè mí ni Àdìsá. Orúkọ tí à ń pè mí ni Àdìsá. If they said kí ni orúkọ bàbá rẹ, the person is trying to ask you that what is the name of your father, or what is your father's name? Kí ni orúkọ bàbá rẹ? And you simply say orúkọ bàbá mi ni Òjó. You will put your father's name. You put for your father's name. You say orúkọ bàbá mi ni Òjó. My father's name is Òjó. If anybody asks you that, kí ni orúkọ ìyá rẹ? You are wondering that what is this person saying? The person is trying to ask you that what is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? And your response will be orúkọ ìyá mi ni Fúnkẹ́. Orúkọ ìyá mi ni Fúnkẹ́. My mother's name is Fúnkẹ́. My mother's name is Fúnkẹ́. And if somebody comes to you and asks you, Ibo lò ń gbé? Ibo lò ń gbé? The person is trying to ask you that, where do you live? Where do you live? So your response will be, mò ń gbé ní ojúlé kẹrin òpópónà Arárọ̀mí Òkè Màpó, Ìbàdàn. You mention your address. I live in number 4 Arárọ̀mí Street, Òkè Màpó, Ìbàdàn. Òkè Màpó, Ìbàdàn. So if anybody asks you that, kí ni ìrìn rẹ? Kí ni ìrìn rẹ? That is, what is your gender? Kí ni ìrìn rẹ? So the person is trying to ask that what is your gender? Kí ni ìrìn rẹ? And your response would be, if you are a male, you said ọkùnrin ni mí, or ọkùnrin ni mí, ọkùnrin lèmi. If you are a female, you say obìnrin lèmi. Or the person might ask you that, ṣé obìnrin ni ẹ́ àbí ọkùnrin? Are you a male or a female? You will simply said, if you are a male, you said obìnrin ni mí. And if you are a female, you said ọkùnrin ni mí. If If anybody asks you that irú iṣẹ́ wo lò ń ṣe, irú iṣẹ́ wo lò ń ṣe, what kind of job do you do? What kind of job do you do? If you are a teacher, you say mò ń ṣe iṣẹ́ olùkọ́ni. Mò ń ṣe iṣẹ́ olùkọ́ni. That is, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. If they said ibo lo ti wá, ibo lo ti wá, that is, where do you come from? If anybody comes to you and say ibo lo ti wá, that is, where do you come from? And your response will be Ilé Ifẹ̀ ni mo ti wá. If you come from Ife, Ife is part of Nigeria. That is Osun State. If you come from anywhere in Nigeria, you mention the area that you come from. If it is Ibadan, if it is Ondo State, if it is Akure, you mention it. You mention the state that you come from. Your response will be Ilé Ifẹ̀ ni mo ti wá. If it is Lagos, you say Ìlú Èkó ni mo ti wá. I came from Lagos. I came from Ife. So that's how you will respond to that. So if anybody now asks you that, Ibo ni ìlú rẹ? Where is your town? Where is your town? Where is your town? If you are in Nigeria, you say that Ondo ni ìlú mi. That is, Ondo is my town. If you are in US or UK, if you are in United States or United Kingdom, or you are outside Nigeria, you said ìlú aláwọ̀ funfun ni mo ti wá. Ìlú aláwọ̀ funfun ni mo ti wá. So if anyone now asks you that, ṣé o ti jẹun? The person is simply trying to find out that, have you eaten? Ṣé o ti jẹun? Have you eaten? So your response will be, if you have eaten, you say mo ti jẹun. Mo ti jẹun. I have eaten. I have eaten. And if the person said kí ló jẹ? Kí ló jẹ? You say, if you ate rice, you say mo jẹ ìrẹsì. Mo jẹ ìrẹsì. Mo jẹ ìrẹsì. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson, where we talk about how you can express yourself in Yoruba. Stay tuned on this channel for more fascinating videos on Yoruba language series. Next lesson, we'll talk about family members. Family members, how you can say your family members in Yoruba. Till then, stay tuned on